We have an Associate of Applied Science degree in Baking and Pastry Arts. We are the only Baking and Pastry Arts associate degree in the state of Missouri. At St. Louis Community College, our hands-on approach really makes sure that your hand skills get developed for the first day of your job. The employability skills and all of those wonderful decorating finesse you're going to learn right here. One of our graduates went on to win a major television baking competition. Another one of our graduates just was named the #2 young chef in the world.
This program is amazing because the location is convenient, and this is one of the best baking and pastry programs in the country.
We have been named in the top 10 culinary programs in the United States, and we cannot find anything better than the hand skills and the amazing education you get here for the cost of tuition.
My favorite thing about the program is being in the professional bake shop and being able to use any ingredient that is available to us. We have tons of supplies in here and all the professional equipment. The chefs have just a plethora of knowledge. We get to work with one of the best pastry chefs in the country.
Taking the experience of being at college and getting to work with these amazing chefs. They want to make sure you succeed in whatever you want to do, and they teach you everything they can.
The hospitality industry is definitely alive and well in St. Louis. In fact, it's hard to find any bakery, hotel, restaurant, country club that doesn't have a graduate of St. Louis Community College working in it. The baking and pastry world specifically is absolutely booming. Everyone loves fresh bread. Everyone indulges in dessert. So we teach you not only the scientific reasoning behind why we do things, how things work, but also the art and design of making them look spectacular. I am really passionate about the baking and pastry world, and I am so excited to be able to translate that to working with students every day. And I love to see our students getting amazing jobs in the pastry world immediately upon graduation.